Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yes, it's me. I really need to get some type of intro going, but who cares? We're going straight off into it. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am Antoinette, and that's my hair, and me being me. So in this video, I have decided to show the world not how to do a perm rod curl set, because let's be honest, I don't know how to do that, okay? But we're gonna try it out today. Just get all your hair on out. Y'all, this is my normal hair all the time. This is what it usually looks like. Let's just get straight off into it. I did not wash my hair, y'all. I probably should have. I think this is gonna be called What Not to Do for a Perm Rod Curl Set, because I was just all over the place. I went in with some leave-in conditioner, brushed it throughout my hair. My hair is still wet, but obviously I have very porous hair. It sucks water right up. Then I went right in and I started to make my parts. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to make parts, y'all. I don't at all. Clearly, I just don't know how to part, y'all. This took a while, okay? And God bless all the ladies and gentlemen who know how to part the back of their head and can do the hair in the back of their head, because it ain't me, to be honest with you. Then I went in with my TaZarin Curl Defining Custard. Yes, you can purchase that on the TaZarin site today. I made sure that I rubbed it thoroughly through from root to end, all the way through. Listen, I had to get up all in the camera because, again, I don't know how y'all do that to the back of y'all's heads, but I don't be sure. So I made sure that I combed all product throughout. Listen, I have never seen a perm rod curler a day in my life, okay? I got these off of Amazon for $20. I'm gonna put the link in the bio. Girl, I don't know what these are, okay? I am so confused and scared at this point. So then, you guys, I went back in and made sure that I thoroughly wet up the hair. You can see that I've already applied some of the rollers to my hair. Make sure that product and that moisture is all the way through. I couldn't get this through there. Y'all, these things are hard to open, okay? And then they have this rubber band on it, and if you do it too hard, it's gonna snap. But then I just showed everyone how I roll it on up. And you have to do it really, 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 really tight, because you want your root to be straight. Did I do it? Did I do it? Y'all, I was watching Jersey Shore while I was doing this. Okay, so if you see me keep looking down, I'm watching Pauly D. Look, bam! Told y'all, I got this. Ciao. At this point, I was tired and thirsty, and my feet hurt, and my back hurt, and I don't know how y'all do this consistently. Cheers to the girls that can do it. At this point, we're just gonna speed this up because, I mean, who really doesn't know how you just put rollers in your head, okay? Again, struggling with putting a part in my own head because I was raised by a mama who didn't have no hair. We don't know how to do this. Y'all are learning with me. Always make sure that you're keeping your hair as wet as possible during this process and using the product and making sure that it's going from the root to the tip and you are combing it in, okay? Because that's how you get the curls all lustrous and beautiful. I was over these perm rods at this point, and I'm gonna just keep rolling, roll it up, patty cake. Y'all couldn't tell me nothing by this point because I felt like I was really an expert at the perm rods. Look at the ease. Look at the precision. Bam, almost in the back of the head too. At this point, I'm a professional. My booking fee is a $150 deposit. No, I'm kidding, y'all. There I am watching Jersey Shore again. Child, I forgot I was recording. I had on these tights and the booty was looking fat. I was just admiring it, that's all. Back to curling up the hair. Look at this. I got a whole system going. Bite it off or wrap it up. Push it in. Bite it off, wrap it up, push it in. Over it. Do y'all see? Look at the look of just, child, my back hurts. I don't know how y'all do this. Baby, no. I'm tired. This is the look of, why did I decide to do this? Because now I'm stressed immensely. the last one. I got to the last one, y'all. I was so happy. What? Look at the 360. Y'all know what? I look like Big Worm. Ain't this some? I look like Big Worm. Oh my God. I look like Big Worm. It's cool. It's cool because the finished product is almost here. Y'all, you're supposed to honestly like go to sleep with these in your head and let it air dry. But I'm an impatient person. I got ADHD and I got things to do. So I just blow dried it up a little bit. And then I put a satin scarf on there. Also, I don't know how to tie a satin scarf. Again, I'm not going to tell y'all anymore. My mama was bald-headed when I grew up. She wasn't completely bald, but she ain't have no hair, okay? She didn't teach us how to do all of this, all right? It was ponytails and buns. I don't know about wrapping hair up and putting satin scarves on. So don't come for me when y'all watch this. Child, I look like Mabel on the block. I need a house coat. So I just basically wrapped everything up after I had kind of dried it a little bit because I had stuff to do. I had things to study and like shows to watch and things to eat. Clearly. Still can't get it right. Wow. This is actually pathetic. Please do not like revoke my black card, y'all. I'm trying. Please. At this point, I just know that I don't think I'm following the steps that I'm supposed to do this. And why did I decide to make this video for y'all? But y'all asked for it. So here we are. Here we are. All right. So this is like, let's say this is like 2.5 hours later, y'all. At this point, I'm over it. I want to see what it looks like. I'm impatient. I don't have time. But I did this for y'all. I did this for the people. Y'all asked for this. I look crazy. All right. So I went in with my anti-itch and growth oil from TaZarin. Again, you can buy that on my site. Rubbed it all throughout my hands because you want your hands to be as, I guess, moisturized when you're taking down these rollers so that you don't get any frizz, right? So we went in, we started taking them down. Girl, what is that? Y'all, what is that? What is this? What is this? Why did I do this? Okay, so problem number one that I did not let my hair dry fully. At this moment, I knew that I have messed up entirely too much. Y'all, I was so distraught that I just turned off my other camera. Look at me. What in the curly Susie Q is this? Girl, I look like Goldilocks. This is out of pocket. Where are the 3 bears? Where are they? Because what is this on my head? So then I just decided to go ahead and try to like finger wand it, you know, like kind of twirl the curls around a little bit, kind of define some and shape it. No, got the damn thing stuck in my head. The curler's back in my dang head and was patient. And this is the result. Bad ow. Okay. Because look, I put some makeup on, so I'm cute now. Okay, I got the ring light popping. Look at the curls. I use that TaZarin Edge Control. Right there. You see it. No flaking. I mean, I hope you guys like this. It didn't quite go as I wanted it to go, but the end result was really cute. Look at that. As always, I want to just say thank you for stopping by my channel, viewing the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. I can be found at DaRealNette, DaRealNette. And all of my products are available at the Shop TaZarin Shopify store. On all social media platforms, you can find the TaZarin products. We are growing. We are doing big things in 2022. And I am just so excited to bring you guys more material and content and just craziness. Bye.